Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sara Lo Scocco, and I am a psychologist. And in particular, I am interested in the field of developmental neuroscience. And I mainly work with parents and families to support their well-being and salutogenesis from pregnancy through the first 4 or 5 years.
Talk to me about one of your projects.
BabyBrains is a bridge between science and families. So it's a 6 hours curriculum that covers some of the most challenging topics in parenthood, such as, let's say, tantrums, motivation, language development, separation anxiety, attachment and independence, all these sorts of things that usually challenge parents very much.
Tell me about your big idea.
So what I do is to provide parents with the frame of what is reasonable to expect from a newborn or a child in terms of their abilities and their capacities, and this is what science tells us. So, but then I really enjoy, and I really want parents to fill in the blanks, like to really find their own way of applying what we know from science about the functioning of children's brain and mind.
Tell me about a psychologist who has inspired and influenced you.
I would want to cite Professor Teresa Farroni, which is full professor of developmental psychology at the University of Padova. I recently met her at a convention, and what really inspired me of her lecture and of her talks in general is the way she shows the interconnection between mind, brain, and body.
Tell me about an up-and-coming psychologist who you believe is making an impact in your field.
So the neuropsychologist is Silvia Dalvit, the philosopher is Cecilia Antolini, and the reason why I cite them is because they are the founders of BabyBrains, known in Italy as Il Parto Positivo.
What's your top tool?
I suggest parents and professionals to use the BabyBrains app, which is a 1-year journey that keeps company and supports parents with very simple and at the same time mind-blowing activities that you can do with your baby.
Tell me about a group that you're part of.
Well, I very happily cooperate with an association that is called La Cova, which is based in Reggio Emilia, Italy. And here I found a group of truly wonderful women that share with me and embrace really the self-determination, the empowerment of women and families in general.
Tell me about a psychologist that you collaborate with.
Eleonora Lodi is not only a wonderful psychology and psychotherapist, but also a friend. And she truly deeply loves her job. And that's why I am very confident when I need to ask for her support in the cases of parents for whom the just psychological support or counseling is not sufficient.
Talk to me more about some of your projects.
There is one project I'm really attached to, and it is a qualitative research that I am conducting in collaboration with the Public Health Service here in Reggio Emilia. This research is about the intergenerational effects of breastfeeding support, which means we would like to get a better understanding of how and if grandmothers have an influence on the ability to breastfeed of their daughters or daughters-in-law. And so we are conducting semi-structured interviews with grandmothers and mothers, and we explore these topics.